Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add rinse aid in a Samsung dishwasher, reservoir access and dispenser settings. Step 1. Open the dispenser. You just have to open the dishwasher door fully, locate the rinse aid dispenser on the inner door panel next to the detergent flap. Lift the dispenser latch up or twist the cap counterclockwise to open it. Step 2. Fill the max line. Pour the liquid rinse air directly into the circular filling hole. Monitor the optical indicator window or the internal fill line. Stop pouring when the level reaches the max mark. Cleaning is spilled with a damp cloth to prevent foaming during washing. Step 3. Lock the cap. Push the dispenser flap down firmly until the stick click is heard. For models with a twist cap, turn it clockwise until it locks tightly. Fix 4. Adjust the doses if discs stay wet. You just have to turn the dishwasher on, hold the sanitize or program button for 3 seconds until the display changes. Press the delay stay button to cycle through setting until D1 through D5 is displayed. Use the program button to set the level to D4 or D5 for improved drying. Press the power button to save your setting. Thanks for watching.